Hello everybody, Mullet here, and today we have a retail box of O-Pee-Chee Platinum from 2018-19. Only 5 packs in here, not much going on with this one. And we also have my new favorites, the Triple Deke box. This is pretty cool. If you saw my other video, it's a 4 packs, 1 autograph card, 1 memorabilia card. I can't talk again, as usual. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's start with the O-Pee-Chee. Again, only like 5 packs in here, as you can see. Not much. And it's retail, so odds are gonna suck on it. But we'll see what we get. I've always liked the, oh, there you go, Austin Matthews right off the top, second year card. Always liked the O-Pee-Chee Platinum, the look of the cards. Sam Steele, Rainbow Rookie. I don't think these are numbered. They are not, but pretty cool. Brendan Gallagher, and another marquee rookie, Maxim Lejoy. My French is horrible, so I apologize. Off to a good start with that first pack. Next up, we got Andre Valesky. We got a Blake Wheeler, purple rainbow looking guy. Does it say on here? Yeah, purple or violet pixels, not numbered. Still pretty cool though. Matthew Tkachuk. And there we go. Pedersen. Marquee rookie. Just the base, but still, I don't have one of him yet. So now I do. That's cool. Moving right along. There's happy to see you. The O-Pee-Chee variant for retro look for Kevin Shattenkirk. Sven Barteshki. Eli Tovenlin, marquee rookie. A lot of rookies so far. I don't think you're supposed to get this many. What are the odds on the rookies in this thing? Doesn't say. But so far, pulled a ton of good rookies. So we got what? Let's see, 2 more packs here. Zach Parise. Rainbow Noah Hannafin. Adam Larson. Another rookie, Carter Hart. Sweet. I will take it. O-Pee-Chee Platinum, full of rookies. And we have Justin Williams. Net Magnets, Patrick Laine. Ooh, Bobby Orr. That's cool. Little lady in the background. She is happy to be there. She's going to have a great time. Then another Sam Steele rookie. I don't know if these are short print on the oars, the higher number ones, or what, but that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that box, actually. Alright, next up, the Triple Deke. Again, this one contains a autograph card, a memorabilia card, a hobby pack, and then 3 miscellaneous packs. So I've had some fun with these. Price is decent, so for what you get, it's just the hard part's getting them open. So let's see here. There's the auto. I'll throw that there. The hit's there. Let's see what we got. first one. First pack, 2017-18 Series 1 Upper Deck. Let's rip on into that. And we got ourselves a Jason Demare. That 7-spin guy. Jacob Churun. God, I'm really bad at pronouncing names today. Peter Mrazek. Oh, canvas. Torrey Krug for Boston. Mark Letestu, Nikita Kucherov, and Carl Soderberg. I don't know if I'm going to be happy with these other packs that are in here, but we'll see. 18-19 Upper Deck. This is Series 1. Obviously, any Young Guns are good for me. Pontus Onberg, Jeff Petrie, Anders Lee, Young Gun, Ryan Donato. Yeah, I'll take it. Sergei Burakovsky, Big Ben Bishop, Brady Shea, I think that's how it's pronounced, and Brandon Saad. This is a pro set, isn't it? Oh my gosh. 91 pro set. Can only imagine. I hope I get a referee card. I'm not going to probably recognize many of these players, if any. Tony Hort, Peter Durbers, Rod Burza, Montreal Canadiens Team Facts, Tim Sweeney, Brian Trottier, France, I don't even know, Donald Dufresne, Sylvain Cote, Greg Harwood. Look at this guy, National League coach Rick Dudley. There he is, the officials card. Robert Holik. Oh, there we go. Roger Nielsen. Another coach card. Tim Chevelday. Wow. And it's a rookie. It's worth about 2 cents. If I'm lucky and I find a Chevelday. Alright. Sort of Chevelday fan anyway. And here we are at 2008-9 Fleer Ultra. Had one of these the other day, pulled a rookie redemption, and it expired like 8 years ago, something like that. And away we go. Mark Straight, Alexander Semin, Miroslav Satan, Pavel Doxut, Season Crowns, gold medallion of Peter Mueller. Woo! A hit. Ultraformity. Kari Lettinen with the Atlanta Thrashers. Nice looking jersey card. So I'll take it. Gilbert Brule, Marcus Noslin, and PJ DeMont. Alright, so that does it for the packs. And then you're guaranteed to get a hit jersey card and an auto. I'm looking at the jersey card right now. I'm okay with this one. It is Calgary Flames, Pinnacle Threads for Jay Bouwmeester. And it's numbered. 496 of 499. Pretty cool. I am a Bouwmeester fan. Now that he's on the Blues, been here for a while. Everyone says trade him every other day, but he's a solid player, solid defenseman. I like it. I'll take it. And for the auto, we have Panini Contenders, Ben Street. Rookie card. Name does not sound familiar. This is 13-14. You would think by now you would know who this guy is, but maybe it's just because I don't follow the Flames all that much. But nice on-card signature. Looks good. And yeah. So there you go. There you have it. Got a hit out of the pack. Got the 2 guaranteed hits. Got some good marquee rookies out of the O-Pee-Chee Platinum box. And I should be getting some more of those Triple Deke boxes here shortly. And then also I've got some hobby boxes, quite a few of those coming in. So stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe if you want. If this is interesting to you. I do it just for my own personal enjoyment. I enjoy putting the content out there. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it as well. If you are, hit a like, hit subscribe. I would appreciate it. I get nothing from this other than the satisfaction of narcissism. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.